there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans from Anycubic, the Kobra 2 Neo and the Kobra 2 Max. Get ready for some high-speed, high-stakes, and highly hilarious comparisons. First up, we've got the Kobra 2 Neo coming in at a sweet $279. That's cheaper than a weekend binge on takeout and Netflix. On the other hand, we have the Kobra 2 Max, priced at $719. Reviewers have noted that while the Neo is budget-friendly, the Max offers advanced features that justify its higher price. For those on a budget, the Neo is a clear winner. But if you're willing to invest more, the Max's features could be worth it. When it comes to speed, the Neo brags about its 250 millimeters per second max print speed, which is pretty impressive for its price range. Reviewers appreciate how it cuts print time significantly. However, the Max takes it up a notch with a jaw-dropping 500 millimeters per second max speed. This makes it ideal for quick, high-quality prints. If speed is your priority, the Max is the clear choice. The Neo's print size is decent for its price, but it's somewhat limited, suitable for smaller projects. Reviewers note that it's good enough for most beginner needs. Meanwhile, the Max flaunts a massive 16.5x, 19.7 inches print size. This allows for larger, more ambitious projects, making it perfect for experienced users. If you need to print big, the Max is your go-to. The Neo's new integrated extruder and 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan make it efficient for melting filaments quickly. Reviewers have praised its ease of use and reliability in this regard. On the other hand, the Max comes with a direct extruder and a dual-motor, dual Z-axis motion structure, making it highly optimized for smooth operations and fewer visible layer lines. For professional quality prints, the Max is unbeatable. The Neo keeps it simple and straightforward, perfect for beginners. Reviewers love its user-friendly interface and easy setup. However, the Max steps up the game with smart app control, allowing remote operation and real-time monitoring. This makes it ideal for tech-savvy users who want more control and convenience. If smart features are what you're after, the Max is the winner. The Neo's Levi Q 2.0. Automatic leveling is a hit among reviewers, ensuring prints are always perfect even for novices. The Max, however, offers an effortless auto-leveling system that compensates for Z-axis offset intelligently. This feature is highly appreciated by users who want a hassle-free printing experience. For ease of use and leveling, both printers perform admirably, but the Max has a slight edge. Overall, reviewers find the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo to be an excellent budget-friendly option that offers good speed and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, while more expensive, provides advanced features, higher speeds, and larger print sizes, making it ideal for those who require professional quality prints and more control. So there you have it, folks. The Kobra 2 Neo is your budget-friendly, high-speed companion, perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Max is the high-speed, large-printing, smart-featured beast for those who demand the best. Whether you want to print a tiny figurine or a life-sized replica of your cat, Anycubic has got you covered. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.